Class, our today's new topic is to find SP and CP when they give you profit percent or loss percent. So class, CP, SP and profit and loss percent. These three are important terms for solving the questions. They provide you two of them and ask you about the third one. So how you solve or how you calculate this? For this class you have to remember all the formulas which you already read in last video or in last chapter. So now this is a question. Find the cost price of an article which is sold at profit of 8% for rupees 2160. So class, here they gave you profit, they gave you SP and they ask you about cost price. So class, for that it's very important your CP is always be 100. Most important, you are always taking your CP as 100. So let your CP be 100. So definitely your SP is CP plus profit percentage. So your CP is 100 and your profit percentage is 8%. So profit percent means class 8% of CP, or you can solve here also by the formula profit percent equal to profit upon CP into 100. So profit percent is 8, that is equal to profit upon 100 into 100. So your profit is 8. So here your profit is 8. So your SP is 108. 100 plus 8, 108. So SP is now 108. Now class, it's very important when you will get the value of SP, then you have to write this. When the SP is 108, at that time your CP is 100, because when you take 100 as a CP, then at that time your SP is 108. So when your SP is 1, at that time your CP is 100 upon 108. Class, why? If I want to convert this 108 into 1, so we have to divide this 108 by 108, and also here we divide this 100 by 108. So 108 upon 108, 1, and 100 upon 108. Now we want to calculate the SP 2160. 2160. They ask you find the cost price of an article which is sold at the profit of 8% for 2160. This is your SP. So when your SP is 2160, at that time what is your CP? That is 100 upon 108. How you convert this in 2160? Multiply here also by 2160 and also multiply here by 2160. So this is your 2160 and this is your 100 upon 108 into 2160. Solve that. This is your CP. So your CP is 2000. Next question is, Mohan buys pressure cooker for 1500. CP is this, and sells it in such a way that he loses 10%. It means loss percent is 10. So what is your SP? So class, you all know the loss percent formula. Loss percent equal to loss upon CP into 100. So by this you can easily calculate loss. By solving this you can find loss. Your loss is 155. So your SP is equal to CP minus loss. This is formula. So 1500 minus 155. This is your SP. So by this very easily you can find this. Now in question number 5 class, Rohit sold his wristwatch for rupees 1280, losing thereby 20%. It means when he sell his watch at this price, he lost 20%. Find the amount paid he is purchasing at that watch. It means when he sold this watch in this rate, he lost his 20%. So you have to find the cost price of that watch. So class, suppose your CP is 100. I told you have to start from 100. You have to find CP. So for CP you have to put that as 100, loss is 20%. So as I told you, you can do shortcut also. 100 minus 20, 80 is your SP. You can see it is your SP. Your SP is CP minus loss. So 100 minus 20, that is equal to 80. And by the formula also you can solve this. Loss percent equal to 20%. So loss percent equal to 20 upon 100 into 100. So that equal to 20. So SP is equal to 80, CP minus loss. And when your SP is 80, your CP is 100. Class, you can see your CP is 100, then at that time your SP is 80. So SP is 80, CP 100. If SP is 1, then at that time CP is 100 upon 80. If SP is 1280, 100 upon 80 into 1280, 1600 is your answer. Now class, one new topic is transactions through more than 2 person. Ria sells an article which cost 400 to Seema at a profit of 20%. And then class, Seema sells this to Neha at a profit of 10%. So what does Neha pay to Seema? So in this time class, you can see Ria, Seema and Neha. There are 3 persons. So Ria sell this to Seema, Seema sell this to Neha. So it's important class, if Ria sell this object to Seema, so whatever is the SP for Ria, that is the CP for Seema. Because if suppose class, she sell this in 10 rupees, so this is the selling price for Ria, but this 10 rupee is the given by Seema, so it is a cost price for Seema. So it's important. Again, for Seema, whatever is the SP for Seema, that is the CP for Neha. Suppose she want to sell this in 20 rupees, then at that time this 20 is SP for Seema, but this 20 is CP for Neha. So this is a technical point for these kind of questions class. So now class, in questions the cost price of article is 400 and she make a profit of 20% in that article. So profit percent equal to profit upon CP into 100. So by this you can easily find the profit. So profit equal to 80 rupees. So the SP of that article is CP plus profit, 400 plus 80, 480. So as I told you earlier class, Ria and Seema, the SP of Ria is the CP of Seema, because if she give that article in 480 rupees, then she buy this article in 480 rupees. So SP for Ria, that is equal to CP for Seema. So now we are talking about for Seema, CP is equal to 480. Understand class? And she sell that to Neha. So she make a profit of 10%. So now we can calculate the SP. So now class, for Seema we can calculate the profit percentage, that is equal to 48 rupees. So in CP 480, the profit she gain 48 rupees. So what is the SP? So SP for Seema is 480. SP is equal to CP plus profit, that is equal to 480 CP, and the 48 is your profit. So 8. So 528 is the SP for Seema. And in question they are asking you in which cost she sell the object to Neha. So this is the selling price for Seema.